Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So Madam Glam allowed me to pick out 4 colors to feature on my channel. The first one is Passion, which is a nice dark red, almost reminds me of a brick red. And of course I have my swatch stick. And then the next color is Perfect Red. What can I say? It is a nice, vibrant, perfect red. I think this red could be used year round. You cannot go wrong with red. And the next color is Riverwalk. It is an opaque bright white, perfect for the spring and the summer, which now we're in the summer. It's hot as crap outside. And then the next color is Perfect Pink, and it is just that, a perfect pink. To me, it's like a Barbie pink. All pinks to me are Barbie pinks. So these 4 colors were part of the Soul Alchemy gel collection, which is a collaboration with Madam Glam, with Alma. I don't know how you say her last name, Costurakis, maybe, sorry. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application. I do have on 1 coat of Holo Taco Pilly base coat on top of my builder gel application, just to allow for easy pop off removal of the gel polish. If you don't want to do that, you can apply these polishes right on top of builder gel as part of your application. Madam Glam gel polishes are 21 free, HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free. They're vegan, and they are a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. If you use a UV lamp, it is 2 minutes to cure. And so I do have on my mani glove to help protect my skin. I don't know if it does that, but you know, it is what it is. And so I'm just going in and applying a thin layer of Madam Glam's base coat on top of my builder gel, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So before I go, I must tell you about Madam Glam's programs that they offer on their site. They do have a VIP program, and with this VIP program, you pay $29 a month and you receive a $29 credit. This allows you early access to polishes, 50% off the price of their polishes, and then you get a $29 credit. So me, for example, I'm going to do a video and show you guys what I purchased with my credits that I allowed to build up over several months, because of course I don't buy gel polishes every single week or even every single month, so I just let it build up. Build up. And so I just did a major purchase with Madam Glam with my credits. But if you can't afford $29 a month, that is perfectly fine, or you don't see yourself using it that often, they do have a pay-as-you-go option. And so I will have the bit.ly link down below in the description box, and you can click that bit.ly link. It will take you to Madam Glam's website, and upon selecting polishes, you can select the pay-as-you-go option, and you can introduce my coupon code upon checkout for 35% off your purchase. So you guys just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. But look how pretty Perfect Pink is. I think that is so pretty. I think that would look good on any skin tone. And I'm just cleaning up any excess polish that I get on my skin with my cleanup brush and some alcohol. And so I apply Perfect Pink to 2 nails, Perfect Red to 1, and then I use Riverwalk because I'm going to go in with some water slide decals later. So after I cure the first coat, I'm going to go in with a second thin coat of polish. Really, I could have gotten away with one coat, but I always do two. And so I'm going in with that second coat again, trying to apply that as thin as possible to all my nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. After I cure my nails for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in with some water slide decals. These are cherries that I purchased maybe 1.5 to 2 years ago from Honey Bee Nails. I'm not sure if that company's still in business, but I did purchase 2 different sizes of the cherries because at the time I had real longer nails, and so I had bought 2 different sizes, and so it came with instructions. And so I'm going to apply a base coat to my nails. Well, first I'm going to cut the decal out that I want to use. And so I went with the first sheet that had the smaller image, and so I cut that out as close to the decal as possible, place it on a paper towel, spray with water per my usual process. I'm then going to go in and apply base coat to my middle finger, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And that's just because, yes, the my middle finger has an inhibition layer from curing, but I want to make sure that it's enough tackiness on the nail, and so base coat gets the job done. Plus, when you use base coat, you're able to move that decal around. And so once I get the decal placed, with a nail stamper, I'm going to go in and remove excess decal from the nail, and then I'll apply a layer of top coat. Now, these nails, I usually pop them off within 1 to 2 days, or they'll pop themselves off. But if I wanted this to last, number one, I would not use peel base, and number two, I would apply base coat on top of that decal after placing it on the nail and getting it all cleaned up. I would apply base coat, cure, and then a layer of top coat, and then cure. After curing the nails, I do apply top coat to all nails and cure nice and shiny. I'm going to go in with Maniology stamping plate M85 just for the stripes. And I'm going to use a pink, I believe this is called Love Potion from Maniology. And I'm going to apply some stripes to my thumbnail because there is a Pinterest picture that I found. They gave me or I used it as my mani inspiration, and so I'm just applying that pink. I didn't know at first. I thought these lines were going to be really wonky, but they turned out relatively good. Not only this is my first try, and it turned out well, and so I'm just using the stamping card to remove excess, and then I'm just going to place that on my nail, press and hold for a few seconds, and then roll it. Now this video is sped up, and so after that, I'm going to go in with a nail brush and acetone to remove excess stamping on my skin. I'm then going to go in and apply a layer of base coat, gel base coat, and cure for 30 seconds. And I'm going to go in with some cherry stickers that I believe I got from Shein, and I do have a Maniology discount code that I'll have in the description box below as well. And so I wanted to use the word cherry, but I decided on the bigger cherry that's kind of towards the middle. I apply that to the nail along with the little cherry. Now it really didn't go with like the airbrush cherries, but since it was on my thumb, I wasn't too worried about it because typically you only see your four fingers. Your thumb is kind of out of the picture. But I go in and apply those, and then I apply top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Y'all, I think putting that base coat on my thumbnail was a bad idea. Like that, I was straight struggling trying to put that sticker on my nail. I was like, this right here, why you being disrespectful? But that's because that base coat, it was sliding around. But I eventually got it pressed down along with the cherries, but I was struggling like nobody's business. I should have just left the word cherry, or I could have just left the stamping stripes and put top coat on it and called it a day. But you know, got to be extra. After I get everything nice and cured, everything is shiny, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Elixir, which is their cuticle oil, really good cuticle oil, and apply that to my cuticle area and my skin to rehydrate. I don't know what I was getting ready to say. Everything and make my skin nice and shiny, and so and get that rub massaged in really well around the cuticle area and the underside of my nail. And so coming up, I do show you the Pinterest picture. It's different because the nails were longer, and I believe they were using false nails. And so you can see here they had like little cherry rhinestones. I didn't have all that stuff. I used what I got. And so I hope you guys like the finished look. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.